Looks like I sheared the key for the flywheel. I'm not quite sure how I did that, but new points in and still no spark, so I'm going to remove the coil. And what I did is I got two other coils, so I removed this clip right here. You just pop it over the side here, and then you can get screwdrivers underneath here and wedge it off, or kind of pry it off, I should say. And I'll try one of the other coils and see how we do. See, the reason I'm doing it with this unit on here is because of the timing. If I take it off, I'm going to lose the timing. I suppose I could mark it, but it might still be off. So the only thing I'm thinking about is, will the end fit through underneath there? I hope it will. We'll see. Well, that spark plug cap isn't really going to fit through there. I don't want to yank it and then putting a new one in. It's not going to fit either, so I marked the best I could with a paint pen and a magic marker in the middle so that I can try to get this thing back on right. We'll see how it goes. And we got spark. You can see it. Well, it started up. Didn't get it on video, unfortunately, because I didn't think it was going to work. I've had the flywheel on and off like about 10 times, trying different setups. Finally went back to the original with the new points, and still figured I'd probably have a problem with the carburetor, but no, started up and it didn't sound too bad, so I'll give it a run. There's no gas tank on it now. I'm just filling the gas line full of gas. And on the first run, it was really smoking, but there was so much oil and crap in there. I think it's all burnt off now. That rag used to hold the ground wire away from the engine because it was kind of sparking and cutting out when it ran. But we'll see if we can get it going now, hopefully. Smoky, but I haven't adjusted the carb at all. Pretty much stripped this baby clean. Got everything I need for the other engine. The The only thing, other thing I wish I could take off of this is that pulley, but it's the shaft is different. I need a 1-inch pulley like this. So I'm thinking about getting an Oregon. It's like stamped metal or something. I don't know. It's not as solid as this, but 13 bucks versus a 1-inch version of this for like $39 or $35. Forget about it. I mean, I wish I had a lathe that I could bore this thing out to 1-inch, but I don't. So I'm probably going to go with the Oregon replacement part. And that engine's running good. So